If you're experiencing heartburn, upset stomach, or indigestion, Antacid Extra Strength can help alleviate these symptoms by lowering the amount of acid in your stomach. Make sure to check the ingredients on the label, as they may have changed since your last purchase. It's important to note that products with similar names may contain different ingredients, so taking the wrong product could potentially harm you. The recommended daily dosage is X amount, and it is best taken X times a day, usually before/after meals. When taking Antacid Extra Strength, make sure to follow the directions on the package. If it's the chewable form, chew it well before swallowing. If it's the liquid form, shake the bottle well before taking it. Do not exceed the maximum recommended dose unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, consult your doctor. Avoid taking the maximum dose for more than 2 weeks without your doctor's guidance. If you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. If you experience constipation, gas, or burping while taking Antacid Extra Strength, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. It's essential to notify your doctor if you experience any serious side effects, such as loss of appetite, nausea/vomiting, unusual weight loss, bone/muscle pain, mental/mood changes, headache, increased thirst/urination, unusual weakness/tiredness, or signs of kidney problems. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of potential side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Before taking Antacid Extra Strength, it's important to consider any allergies you may have, as this product can contain inactive ingredients that may cause allergic reactions. If you have high calcium levels, stomach/intestinal blockage, or kidney disease, it's crucial to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Additionally, some products may contain aspartame, so if you have phenylketonuria or any other condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this drug safely. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using this medication. And use Antacid Extra Strength as directed on the label, or as your doctor has prescribed. Do not use in larger or smaller amounts or for longer than recommended. It's important to be aware that Antacid Extra Strength may interact with other drugs, which could potentially change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's a good idea to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines, it's essential to seek your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Antacid Extra Strength include digoxin, certain phosphate binders such as calcium acetate, phosphate supplements like potassium phosphate, and sodium polystyrene sulfonate. It's also worth noting that calcium carbonate, which is a key ingredient in Antacid Extra Strength, can decrease the absorption of other drugs. For example, it can affect the absorption of tetracycline antibiotics, bisphosphonates, estromycin, iron, levothyroxine, pazopanib, strontium, quinolone antibiotics, and others. If you are taking any of these medications, it's important to separate your doses as far as possible from your doses of calcium carbonate. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Furthermore, it's recommended to check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription/herbal products, such as supplements and vitamins, because they may contain calcium. If you have any concerns about using these products safely with Antacid Extra Strength, be sure to ask your pharmacist for guidance. If someone has taken too much Antacid Extra Strength and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, you should contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Residents of Canada should call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, changes in mental state, headaches, weakness, and dizziness. It's important to seek medical help if you suspect an overdose. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments. In addition to taking Antacid Extra Strength, you can also make lifestyle changes such as stress reduction, quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, and making diet changes to help reduce heartburn and other stomach acid problems. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about lifestyle changes that might benefit you. Antacid Extra Strength can provide relief from heartburn, acid indigestion, and sour stomach. It is also used to prevent these symptoms when they are expected. This medication is a combination of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. It works by neutralizing the stomach acid. It is best to take Antacid Extra Strength after meals and at bedtime or as directed by your doctor. Do not take more than 8 tablets in a 24-hour period or use the maximum dosage for more than 2 weeks without consulting a doctor. Make sure to store Antacid Extra Strength at room temperature and away from light and moisture. It's important not to store it in the bathroom, and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this medication, never flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to do this, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.